We're going to look at Fastly here on the weekly chart. Cannot seem to get out of its own way. We thought this would be the week that we'd actually breach and hold this upper trend line. So far, have not done that. We breached it earlier in the week, but not holding. We're not even holding the $7 psych level. So that is a problem for us in here. So what levels are we looking at here on the weekly chart because we are trading below that $7 mark? Well, our first support is going to be 655, and then we're going to be looking at the 631 area here. Now, resistance wise, the $7 mark, that's going to be a big psych level for us. That's also where that 9-day EMA is trading. So that's going to have a lot of resistance for us. Above that, we're looking at this upper trend line at the 720s, and then we'll be working our way to that 760 mark. Your RSI and your volume in here for the past month basically unchanged, right? So that is a problem. We need something to kind of get us moving in here, and perhaps earnings coming up next week, August 6th after market. Hopefully that will get this thing to actually move one way or another. We have a little bit of juice here in your options. Your IB rank is at 55, but you only got a 17-cent expected move priced in by tomorrow, only about a 90-cent expected move priced in by your earnings expiration, which is next Friday. So you got to kind of keep that in mind, but hopefully we can start getting this thing moving either way. We can expand these that expected move, expand that option premium for us, and perhaps get some decent moves in here rather than just about 70 cents per week. So we'll see what happens in here. Again, Fastly, what are you looking at in here? $7, 720. You're looking at 655, 630, 17-cent expected move by tomorrow, and you have earnings coming up next week with a 90-cent expected move priced in by your earnings expiration next Friday. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.